Hello everyone, today in this video I'm bringing for you a very interesting topic. The topic is how to find the cube root of any perfect cube numbers within a fraction of seconds without doing the prime factorization. Okay, so let us start now. Before doing all these things, you must know uh, the basic. From the basic you have to know. Okay, the basic thing is from 1 cube to 10 cube you must know. Okay, so I let me write here now. 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64, 5 cube is 125, 6 cube 216, 7 cube 343, 8 cube 512, 9 cube 729, 10 cube 1000. So this is the basic you must know, children, first. Okay, from 1 cube to 10 cube you must know. So let us start here now. How to find the cube of any number. Okay, how to find the cube root of any perfect cube numbers. This is especially only for the perfect cube numbers. If the number is perfect cube, we can find the cube root of that particular number in within 2 to 3 seconds we can find out. Okay, what you are going to do is, first of all, suppose one number is given like this: 12167 is given now. I want to find the cube root of this number. I want to find the cube root of this number now. Okay, I told you this is only for this method only for the perfect cube numbers. So want to find the cube root of this number now. So what you are going to do is, at the first step, what you are going to do, you must know first of all you have to make the group of three numbers. Okay, from the right side you should make 3 digits. Left side can be 1 digit or 2 digit, not a problem. Okay, if it has 3 digit, make one group. If it has 2 digit also, not a problem. But from the right side you should make compulsory 3 numbers. Okay, 3 here 2. So this first group will give as first and this one is second. So this group shows that if you find the cube root of this number, it will come 2 digit. One will be in the ones place, one will be in the tens place. So this ones place will be given by 167. Tens place will be given by second group. Ones place will be given by first group. Tens place will be given by second group. Okay, so let us find out first group now. What digit can be in the ones place? We have to find out. Okay, so in this first group, 167, what is the last number here now? In the first group, okay, this is the first group now. In this first group, what is the last digit? 7. So that means you have to find out which number cube will give you 7. 1 cube is 1. I'm not telling that if we find the cube of any number, the last digit should be 7 now. 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube 4, 5 cube 5, 6 cube 6, 7 cube 3, 8 cube 2, 9 cube 9, 10 cube 0. Okay, so 3 cube only will give 7 now. That means your ones place will be 3. Okay, so this can be given by only 3 only. Okay, 7 will be given by cube of 3 only. So your ones place will be 3. Okay, so now second group. What is the second group now? Second group is 12. So now what you're going to do is, this method and this method will be different. Okay, here we are finding what can be the digit in the ones place by seeing the last digit. And if you want to find the tens place, take out the second group. 12 is between 2 cubes now. 12 compulsory, this number will be between two cubes. I mean what is that? Between the two numbers cubes. 12 is between 2 cube and the 3 cube, because 12 is between 8 and the 27. Yes or no? What I'm going to tell is 12 is not the perfect cube number, so it is between 2 cube and the 3 cube. Meaning is 12 is between 8 and 27. Okay, so now you just tell me. So 12 is between these two number. Now which one is a smaller number? 2 is a smaller number, so your answer will be 2 here now. Okay, smaller number you have to take. Okay, so meaning is cube root of this number will be 23. You just multiply and see 23 into 23 what will be the answer. Let us check here now. Okay, I'll show you now. 23 into 23 into 23. 23 into 23 into 23, what will be the answer now? 12167. Okay, 12167 is the cube of 23. If the cube of 23 is this one, cube root of this number will be 23. Okay, so like this, let us try some more questions. Okay, let me take one number now. Cube root of 157464. Okay, another one. Cube root of 4941. Cube root of 941192. Let us try now. Okay, what I told you in the first step, you should make the group of three numbers. Here we got from the right side 3 numbers, and here also exactly 3 numbers. So this is first group, this is second group. The group is showing that it will come 2 digits. Okay, this is ones place and this is tens place. So now in this first group, first group is 464. What is the last number here now? 4. So that means what you are going to do, 4 will be given by which number cube? We have to see 4 will be given by which number cube. So 4 will be given by 4 cube only. That means your answer will be 4 here. Ones place will be 4. Then what is the second group now? Second group is 157. So now you have to find out 157 is between which number. Okay, 157. 5 cube is 125. 6 cube is 216. That means 157 is between these two numbers now. 125 and the 216. 125 is nothing but 5 cube. 216 is 6 cube. So that means which one is smaller number? 5 is the smaller number. So your answer will be 54. Okay. Cube root of this number will be 54 now. Then let us try the last one now. This is first group and this is second group. So now it will come 2 digit, ones place and the tens place. So now first group is 192. So last number is 2. 2 will be given by which number cube? 8. 2 will be given by 8 cube only. So ones place will be 8. Then second group is 941. 941 is between 9 cube and the 10 cube. 941 is between this number and this number. So which one is small number? This one is small number, so that means 9. So your answer will be 98. Cube root of this number will be 98. So this is the method how we are going to find the cube root of any perfect cube numbers. Guys, I hope you understand, and if you feel that it is very useful to you and for others, and like your brothers and sisters and your children, if you feel like that, please do me a favor. I need your support. Please like, share it as much as possible. Please please make the video to be reached. Make the video to be reached to the maximum number of people, so that I can try to bring the best level of videos in the next upcoming videos. So dear friends and dear viewers, I request you everyone, without your support I cannot do anything. Please like and share it through your WhatsApp friends and through your Facebook friends as much as possible. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.